For our first video, it's all about our very first workflow, and we will be using Sandbox for this. Ito actually yung ginamit ko sa complex airport building na pinakita ko sa inyo sa introduction. So let's recreate that shape. First, select the second option sa Sandbox toolbar, yung mukhang grid. Ang name niya is From Scratch. Notice na masyadong malaki yung default na 3 meters, so let's type our grid spacing down to 1 meter. Then click again. Next, type 15.3 meters for the length, and let's try 10 meters for the width. Erase, then move natin para malinis. Okay, next step, i-control naman natin yung shape. To do this, I'm going to explode the grid first. Click this move tool or yung may up and down arrow icon. Click an area, tapos itaas nyo lang siya, i-control nyo lang hanggang sa makuha nyo yung shape na gusto nyo. For this step, you really need to have patience, focus, and control. Pwede nyo ring i-adjust kung gaano kalaki yung radius ng selection circle. Just type your desired size. Remember, do not click anything while typing. Type nyo lang agad. Let's make it a longer size. Ayun, you really need trial and error pagdating dito. Pero ang ganda sa extension na to, it's perfect kung gusto nyo mag-create freely at wala pa kayong exact shape na naiisip. You can just play along with it. Let's use a 10 meter radius. Itaas natin yung center. Check the front. Then yung back. Ayun, much better. Sa side naman tayo, let's lift it by 4 meters. Sa kabilang side, 4 meters din. Tip, you can just double click para mag-replicate yung ginawa nyo, so you don't have to do it manually. Now for the structural support, super easy lang nito guys. You just need the extension JHS Power Bar. Targetin natin yung tool na Lines to Tube. Unang gagawin, let's select all the lines in our grid. Then click Lines to Tube. Pwede nyo palitan yung diameter size and materials dito. Pero I will just use the current default settings for now. Select OK. Boom! Done na kaagad yung structural frame natin. Pero syempre, we need to thicken the actual roof skin. Let's use the joint push-pull extension. I-hide muna natin yung ginawa nating tube structural frame para hindi magkagulo. Group the roof surface. Click joint push-pull. Then adjust the thickness. I will use 0.50 meters. Ngayon, run lines to tube again para mas makapal na support. Ayun, so much better. Adjust lang natin ng kaunti para mag-fit siya ng maayos sa kapal ng roof. And yay, done na tayo. Lagyan ko lang to ng kunwaring column. And see, super bilis. Ayun lang for this method. See you on the next video.